get started. So this is a t-shirt that I'm going to refashion, and the first thing you need to do is just to decide which shoulder you actually want to expose. And from the neckline here, I would go about an inch, but you can go closer or maybe even a little bit further away. But I'm going to go about an inch, which is about 2.5 centimeters, and I'm going to I probably would do this freehand, but just to give you some indication of how I would do this. So I'm going to give it a slight curvature to my line that I want. And I've got a pin here, and that is roughly where I want it to be on my body. So I'm going to come in about another inch, which is about 2.5 centimeters, so that when I actually try it on, it's a bit taut around my body, like so. So the next step is to get your scissors and cut along your line, starting from your shoulder. Just follow all the way around. Try and keep your t-shirt in the middle of your scissors. That's a little tip there, so you don't get any jagged edges, unless that's the look you're going for. There we go. Now here we have your old t-shirt that has been refashioned into this lovely off-the-shoulder top. Stick around the channel for more awesome fashion sewing tutorials. Do subscribe